This is a kenken puzzle. In this video, I will teach you how to complete a kenken. A kenken is a type of arithmetic puzzle that you use logic to solve and a little bit of arithmetic. It's similar to a Sudoku in that it gets your brain flowing. The object of a kenken is to fill in every row and every column with numbers. Each row and each column needs the digits 1, 2, and 3 in this puzzle because this is a 3 by 3 puzzle. Then you look at each bolded area. So when I look at this bolded area, I see that these boxes subtract to 1. When I look at another bolded area, I see that these 3 boxes add to 7. And sometimes you get lucky, and this box just is the number 2, and this box just is the number 3. So again, every row needs the digits 1, 2, and 3, and every column needs the digits 1, 2, and 3. Some puzzles are easier than others, so in this case I would start with the 3 that I know and the 2 that I know. Since I've already used a 3 in this row, I know that I have a 1 and a 2 to use in these 2 boxes. Now, because there's already a 2 here, I cannot put a 2 above it, since I need 1 of each digit in this column, and therefore I know that this must be the 1 and this must be the 2. You'll continue with this logic to fill out the rest of the puzzle. Since the middle column has a 1 and a 2, I know that there must be a 3 below it. I'll continue this process using my process of elimination and what I know about the numbers, and I can double check all of them. So I have 2 numbers here that subtract to 1. I have 3 numbers here that add to 7. So I'm always looking at the bolded areas and the operation symbols. As you get into bigger puzzles, you may need to use a little bit more problem solving and write some notes to yourself. Because this is a 5 by 5 puzzle, I know that every row and every column is going to have the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you will have to figure out where to start. But when I look at something like multiplying to 20, given that these are the only digits I have, my options are 5 times 4 times 1, or 2 times 2 times 5. So I know that I'm going to need a 5 in one of these 3 and in one of these 3. And since there's already a 5 here, I can't have one above or next to it, so it will have to go in this box here. That's the kind of logic that you might want to use to solve them. Similarly, if I have 2 boxes where I have a division problem that equals 2, and I look at my possibilities here, I know that it's either going to be 4 divided by 2 or 2 divided by 1. So somewhere in here, I'm going to have a 2. And I can start to write those little digits inside or write notes over to the side. Pretty soon you'll get in the groove and the puzzle will start to come together. So good luck and have fun. They really are a fun way to challenge your brain.